Hey guys, my name is Emily and today we're going to be making some delicious turkey burgers. So fun fact, these burgers actually contain all 5 food groups. So for our grain, we have some oats. For our fruit, we have dried cranberries. For our cheese, we have some shredded mozzarella. For our protein, we have the ground turkey, as well as 2 eggs. For our vegetables, we have some spinach. This came frozen, but we defrosted it and then drained it with some paper towels. And then for our spices, we have minced onion, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Add all of our ingredients together. So to start with, we're gonna add our pound of ground turkey. Next, we're gonna add in 1 cup of oats, 1/3 cup of our cranberries, 1 cup of our cheese, and now we're gonna add in our spinach. And we're gonna add in our eggs next. And now for our seasonings, we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of minced onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a dash of pepper. Now it's time to mix all of our ingredients. Feel free to use gloves like I am, or you can also use a spoon if you don't wanna touch it with your hands. So now that we've mixed our ingredients, the next part is to form the patties. So you're gonna take about a tablespoon's worth of meat, roll it in your palms, and then squish it down flat like a hamburger patty, just like that. Our next step is to take a 10-inch skillet and spray it with some cooking spray. So we have our patties in the pan, and we're just gonna cook these for 4 minutes on each side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that they've been cooking for about 4 minutes, we're gonna flip them and cook them for another 4. Now it's time to see the delicious finished product. So our turkey burgers that we made earlier were added onto a whole grain bun with tomato, shredded lettuce, and some Dijon mustard to top it all off. This is an absolutely delicious recipe.